Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can change the font size of your Google Chrome. Let's open our Google Chrome. Then, let's click on the three dots present at the corner of the screen. Now, choose the Settings option. Now, inside Settings, you can see the Appearance tab. Click on the Appearance tab. Here, you can see the font size option. Now, click on the drop-down arrow and you can select the size depending upon your choice. For example, say very large. You can check this by opening a new tab. Here, in this tab, you can see that the size is actually very large. You can also make it very small if you want more content cluttered in your screen, like here. For now, let's keep it at medium. Now, you have successfully selected the font size tailored to your perspective. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on the video, share this video as well, and thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.